Fried foods. They are a global phenomenon, enjoyed by people of all ages and cultures. From crispy French fries to juicy fried chicken, there's something undeniably tempting about a perfectly golden brown crunchy exterior. But what is it about fried foods that makes them so universally loved? The answer lies in our senses. The sizzle of oil, the aroma that fills the air, and the satisfying crunch as we take a bite. These sensory experiences create an anticipation that is hard to resist. Fried foods are often associated with happy memories, comfort, and indulgence. Think about it. A basket of fish and chips by the seaside, a plate of pakoras shared with friends, or a funnel cake at a summer carnival. These experiences are about more than just the food itself. They are about the memories and emotions we associate with them. Fried foods have a way of tapping into our deepest desires for pleasure and satisfaction. The magic of fried foods happens when food is submerged in hot oil. The high temperature of the oil causes water within the food to evaporate, creating steam. This steam escapes outward, creating a crispy golden brown crust. Simultaneously, the hot oil breaks down starches in the food into sugars, resulting in complex flavors and aromas. The type of oil used also plays a crucial role in the flavor and texture of fried food. Different oils have different smoke points, which is the temperature at which the oil begins to break down and release harmful compounds. Common frying oils include vegetable oil, canola oil, and peanut oil, each imparting subtle flavor nuances. The key to successful frying lies in controlling the temperature of the oil. If the oil is not hot enough, the food will absorb too much oil, resulting in a greasy, soggy mess. On the other hand, if the oil is too hot, the food will burn on the outside before cooking through. While undeniably delicious, it's no secret that fried foods are not the healthiest choice. The high fat and calorie content of fried foods can contribute to weight gain, obesity, and related health problems like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The process of frying creates harmful compounds called acrylamides, which are formed when starchy foods are cooked at high temperatures. Acrylamides have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Additionally, many fried foods are high in sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure. It's important to note that not all fried foods are created equal. The type of oil used, the cooking temperature, and the frequency of consumption all influence the health impact. Occasional indulgence in small portions is unlikely to cause significant harm in the context of an otherwise balanced diet. Fortunately, there are healthier ways to enjoy the flavors and textures we love in fried foods. Baking, air frying, and pan frying with minimal oil are all excellent alternatives that can significantly reduce fat and calorie content without sacrificing flavor. Experimenting with herbs, spices, and flavorful coatings can further enhance the taste and satisfaction of these healthier cooking methods. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to mean deprivation. It's about finding enjoyable and sustainable ways to nourish our bodies. Ultimately, the key to enjoying fried foods lies in moderation. By understanding the science behind frying, being mindful of portion sizes, and exploring healthier cooking methods, we can savor the crispy, crunchy goodness of fried foods without compromising our health.